Trying to hunt down this rattle in my back of my Tesla Model 3. And look what I found. Marbles and a coin. And I don't know what that is over there. More marbles. So I'm using a borescope. Just like this. Under the carpet of the driver's side seat. Right next to the vent. Just raise your seat up all the way. And push it forward, pull your carpet back up, and it's on that corner there. So I'm gonna vacuum it up or something to clean it up, and hopefully the sound is gone. And every time I make a left or right turn, just things are running around like a pebble sounds running across the car. Hope this helps you. Okay, peel back this door sill trim. And you can find, if you can see, all those little stuff in there. Pebbles or something. Rattling around every time I make a turn. It's all down there. I don't know what the heck it is. You find coins and everything in between this carpet. It's going across the car and back and forth every time you make a little maneuver left or right. Crazy. It's just everywhere underneath this vent. I got look at all that pebbly stuff. So I'm gonna vacuum that up more. This is what I found on both sides, the driver and the passenger side. I totally recommend looking on the passenger side also, not only the driver's side. Look at all these little marbles. I have no idea what they are. I'm second owner, so maybe the first owner dropped all this stuff or something like that. But they were rolling around on the floor bed of the Tesla Model 3. So totally recommend vacuuming it all up. And